Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, you have to understand two patterns are forming. This U pattern is formed. After that there is an upside with a low of around $1.91. Okay, keep this in mind. This is a support and a strong support, and this bigger U pattern is forming. So this bigger U pattern says that if the price started going up 2.3, then there will be an upside movement we can see. Okay, this is first pattern, this is second, and this pattern is supporting now. As of now the price is coming down. Okay, so probability can be high that it can go further low. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, it has already made a half around $2.37, which is already been weak. So if the price comes close to this level, it can cross this level. Okay, so chances are high if it started touching a $2.2 level, we can see it will cross this level and can go towards 2.4 or $2.5. Okay, and there it will be a higher chances that it can go further low because there is a clear pattern forming towards downside. So if the price started going below $2.059, probability of touching a level of going below $2 we can see, and then it can touch a level of $1.19 and it can go further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see the dollar index, that how the price of dollar index is moving. See, there is a continuous fall we have seen in the dollar index, and I have already explained you that if the price started sustaining this level, which is already on the upside, we can see there will be higher chances that it can go towards $102. Okay, after crossing a level of $101. Okay, you have to keep it in mind, there will be higher chances that it can go further. See, dollar, as soon as if the dollar is started going upside, we will see natural gas price will come down. Okay, similarly if the dollar is started going down, we will see natural gas price will come up. You have to understand that sometimes they both move in one direction when there's a market. So always try to set your SL, so in order to reduce the uncertainty, and once you start in profit, try to trail the SL so that your profit will be safe. These two things you should be doing. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if the price keeps sustaining a level of 100.9, we will see there will be an upside. But if the price started falling below a level of 100.5, we will see that it will fall below a level of $100, and chances of falling further down we can see. And as soon as the price started falling below 100, we can see there will be a further fall in the dollar index. And once the dollar started going down, we will see the natural gas price will come up. Now coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability is less, but I have to explain you because see, market is uncertain. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $2.165, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.23. Okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chances are very high it will cross this level and it can go towards $2.33, and if that sustain, it will cross a level of 2.35. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross this level and can go towards 2.49, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so keep that in mind, that as soon as the price started hitting above 2.3, chance of touching a level of 2.49 we can see, and from there a further upside towards 2.7 and then further high. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, so you have to understand that today it had made a low of around $2.53 and $0.53, and now it started going upside. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, because see, there is a clear pattern forming towards downside. As you can see, there are two patterns are forming towards. First, this is on a higher side. Okay, so if the price started sustaining about 2.3, we will see there will be an upside. But if the price started falling below a level of $2, we can see it will cross a level of $1.91 and can go further low. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can further down towards a level of around $2.11, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2.0593. Okay, and once the price started falling below this level, chances of going below a level of $2 we can see, and from there it will move towards a level of 1.92. Okay, and if the price falling below a level of 1.92, a further downfall we can see towards $1.89. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $1.82. Okay, and if the price started falling below 1.82, a further fall we can see towards 1.8 and then a further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.